Hi again everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is our fourth video on how to play the guitar, and I strongly suggest that if you really want to learn, especially those who are just a beginner or doesn't really know how to play at all, so this or those videos that I've already done, and this video will really help you to learn how to play a guitar. Okay, so I strongly suggest that you watch them from the beginning till the end, okay, so that you will learn how to play a guitar. Okay, and so previously we talk about the different accessories in playing a guitar. So there's the tuning pipe, the pick, different kinds of picks, the capo, the neck strap, and so on and so forth. Okay, we also learned in the previous video the use of the left hand, which is to finger chords. Okay, so we learned what is the proper way in using the left hands, and also the techniques on how you can play chords faster. Okay, so we talk about that on the previous video. Now we're going to study, or we're going to talk about the use of the right hand. Okay, so primarily the use of the right hand in playing a guitar is to strike the string. Okay, so to strike the string, so it can be either using your own hands, finger, or using picks. Okay, so now there are several ways to strike the guitar. So the first one is to strike it up. So to strike it up, going up, so from the bottom string, which is the first string, going up to the last string on top, which is the sixth string, or the bass string. Okay, and also another one is to strike it going down, so it's from top, or the sixth string going down to the first string. So those are the basics stroke that you can use in playing a guitar. Okay, so it's you can also do it by alternating both up and down. Depends on the tone that you want to produce. Okay, so there's another one that is also commonly used, and usually it is used most of the time. I hear it when somebody's playing a guitar, when they're playing a country song or folk song. Okay, so this is the what we call the plucking. Okay, so the plucking is you use the right hand, the thumb finger, and the 1, 2, 3. Okay, even the fourth finger, to strike the strings of the guitar. Okay, now for beginners, of course, it will be hard Okay, and there are some techniques that you can use so that your right hand will be steady in plucking the strings. Like the first one is you can use the little finger as a stand to make your right hand steady and put it on the board, okay, wherever your hand is comfortable. Okay, so like for example on this one, okay, so I'll put it here and then I'll try to pluck. So I use my little finger as a stand so that my right hand will become steady. Okay, and there's another one. You can use your wrist and let it rest on the bridge, and this way you can also use all the fingers in plucking. So that is the stroke that we call plucking. So those are the use of the right hand in playing a guitar. Also, since we still have time, we're going to also talk about the different position in playing a guitar. So like right now I'm sitting in a chair, so this is one of the common position in playing a guitar, and it's also a relaxed position. So you just sit on a chair and place your guitar on your lap and you can already play. Okay, but some also use a stool while sitting so that it will elevate a little bit the guitar and it will be more comfortable to play a guitar. And there's another position which is standing position by the use of, for example, let's say this is a stool, okay, and by standing you just put your feet on the stool and you can already play the guitar. Okay, and also one more thing, one position that you can do, or the proper position, is by the use of a neck strap. Okay, let me just arrange the neck strap. Okay, there you go. Okay, so here, okay, so I'm just standing without using a stool, but I use the neck strap and I can play the guitar comfortably. So those are the position or the proper position in playing a guitar. Okay, so excuse me, I hope you learned something today, and on our next video, most probably we were going to tackle or study how to read symbols in reading a chords. So this is already we're going to learn how to play a chord, okay, how to read it on a for example, if you have a song book, okay, and there's a chart there, how will you read the chords? Okay, so that we will tackle on the next video. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below, and also the notification bell, so that you will be the first to be notified when there's a new video. And if you like this video, hit on the thumbs up, and please share this video for those who wants to learn how to play guitar. Okay, and also you can leave comments, okay, good or bad, negative or positive, it's welcome. Okay, so leave your comments down on the comment sections below. Okay, so until then, love and peace to the universe and back. See you then.